If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. One disadvantage of using the autofix commands that are available is that you do lose some control over the final outcome. Elements offers several manual commands that give you more precise and sometimes subtle control over the outcome of your images. If you have a picture that is either under or overexposed, you can adjust the lighting with shadows and highlights. To use this command, choose Enhance, Adjust Lighting, Shadows/Highlights from the menu bar. Make sure the Preview checkbox is checked so you can view the adjustments before committing to them. When the dialog box first appears, Elements will apply automatic corrections. You can then make further adjustments by moving the sliders or entering values for the Lighten Shadows, Darken Highlights, and Midtone Contrast sliders. When you are done, simply click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.